I'm a behind-the-scenes person. My goal is to put Albie in the best position to succeed, to help him have a great day, and to help him bring joy to all the fans that are attending the game or that he gets to interact with. So I'm entering my 13th year advising Albie, 14th year at Auburn. Game day, Albie starts making rounds about 4 hours prior to kick and has a pretty set and tight schedule from 4 hours all the way up until the end of the game, and hopefully through going to Tumors to roll Tumors corner. I turn over the creativity to the guys, to the crew, to the team, I should say, to let them really come up with those ideas. I do approve them. I do review them and approve them early in the week so that we make sure that we are fan-friendly and Auburn-friendly and make sure that what we're doing is appropriate for game day. Aubrey, you gonna take this to Tumors? This is good two-ply. Great two-ply right there. Okay. Okay. This is my way to give back to Auburn. I'm extremely blessed to have the opportunity to be a small part of this tradition and what the work that Albie does for fans and friends all over the country and really all over the world. I'm Corey Edwards, advisor to the Albie program, and this is my game face.